Ever been sitting in your house, everything's quiet, and you hear a soft, rhythmic sound, almost like your house is breathing? It can be pretty unsettling, but don't worry, you're not in a horror movie. This is usually caused by your HVAC system. When your heating or air conditioning turns on, it pushes air through the ductwork. If the ducts are made of metal, they can expand and contract slightly with the temperature changes. This creates a subtle popping or groaning sound as the system cycles on and off. This sound can seem rhythmic, like breathing. Sometimes, a blocked air filter can also make the system work harder, causing louder or more unusual noises. So next time you hear your house breathing, just check your air filter and your vents. It's usually a simple fix if the noise is really loud or concerning. It's always a good idea to call a professional. Thanks for watching.